In this section, you will learn to add a header and footer to a document, set and change the margin for a document, and add and delete manual page breaks. Unit 6, controlling page layout, accessing the header and footer. And menu bar, here you go to insert, and insert you see here header. Click on header or footer. Here we have different style. We are selecting any style of that. Now you want to edit it, where the document title, here you just click, and after that you can start writing. We are writing, for example, table 1. If you go if you want to go out of this header, just click outside or double click outside that header, so your header is off. The same going back to header, double click on the header and header is on. Here at the top we have close header and footer button. You can also click that button to close the header. Here in this header we see tabs are used, left tab, center and right tabs. Earlier unit we learned how to use tab. So when you want to go from one tab to another, you have to press the tab key. So you can also give your desired header. You can also design your own header just by going to header and down here insert header. And you can also place the tabs, and you can also add more design in design menu. And design menu, we can go to directly footer from here. Go to footer. Here you can start writing. You can insert page number, you can insert page margin and many things. Here you see page, top of page, bottom of the page, page margin and much more. Okay, let's insert page number at the bottom of the page. That will come on footer. Here you see page 1, go out or close from the menu, and we are going to page number 1. We here see 1, page number 2, here we see 2, or page number 3 at the down, here we have page number 3. And next is changing document margin. For the document margin or the page margin, go to layout, and layout you go to margin. Here we have different margin: a normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, and we also can add a custom margin. From here we can give the margin from top, from the left, from the right, from the left, and so. And we can also go to portrait and landscape. When adding margin from the left, you see in the left side the margin of the page increased. Once more, first let's return to the normal. Click margin and normal, or pages again on normal margin, and left in custom margin. Here you can here is the preview of the margin. Whenever you decrease or increase the margin, the preview show us what's actually happening to our document, from which side we are adding margin and how does it look. So that was all from the margin. Next is page break. And page break, let's come here down and click at the end of the document. Now you press Ctrl plus Enter in your keyboard, and you will go to the next page. Earlier we had 3 pages, now we have 4 pages. To show the unprinted material in the page break, you have to come here into the show, and here you can see here at the bottom you see it's written page break. If you want to remove this page break, just simply click your cursor there and remove that line, and your page break is gone. Now go down here, see the last page is the third page. Once more we are going placing our cursor there, pressing Ctrl Enter to see here we have again the fourth page.